In this family-friendly kitchen science guide, we explore a gentle baking soda and vinegar reaction that creates a foamy volcano at home. Gather a tray, baking soda, vinegar, soap, coloring, and safety goggles to keep young scientists comfy. Pour a small amount of baking soda in the tray, add soap and color, then pour vinegar to start the eruption. The fizz comes from carbon dioxide gas formed when acetic acid meets sodium bicarbonate, trapping bubbles in the soapy foam. Always supervise, rinse when finished, and invite questions about gas, reactions, and safe experiments for future DMOS.